two-handed surgical square knot, you will need two shoelaces with two different colors. Stitch them together at the middle. We have here an object to represent the vessel or ligament you want to ligate. Insert the other end of the string under the vessel. Hold the farther string with your left hand and the nearer string with your right hand. Hold the string while doing a bang-bang position. Pull the white string up and put the gray string beside the white string. Make a closed loop around the gray string with your left index finger and thumb. Twist the loop to the left, hold the gray string and twist to the right. Tighten the knot using your right index finger while pulling each end to the 1 o'clock and to the 7 o'clock position. Remember that after the first throw, your hand should be right over left, with your right hand holding the farther string and the left hand holding the nearer string. Make a letter V with your left thumb. Put the gray string on top of letter V to make an inverted number 4. Again, make a closed loop with your left index finger and thumb. Twist the loop inside, hold the gray string, and twist the loop outside. Pull the string to the 1 o'clock and 7 o'clock position. Remember that after the second throw, your hand should be left over right, with your left hand holding the farther string and right hand holding the nearer string. Tighten the knot using your right index finger. Repeat the process. Pull up, gray string, loop, twist left, hold string, twist right, pull, 1 o'clock, 7 o'clock, right over left, letter V, number 4, close loop, inside, hold string, outside, pull, left over right, tighten.